Just living La Vida Loca on a Saturday night. Cheers to you. We're gonna make a bonfire tonight and cook some steak on it and use some really dank wood that's been soaking in minus 20 degree weather with rain showers and snow, although under a tarp. When you're doing this, you're gonna need a lot of kindling, but in my case, cardboard and paper from the grocery store. Make sure to get it all in there. Light that bitch up. Throw the ball. Throw the ball again. I'm going to be doing that a lot in this video. Victory cheers. Fire is roaring. Let's warm ourselves up because it's absolutely chilly tonight. Just lighting some loose leaf tobacco my friend brought from Greece. Very delicious. Trying not to consume too much of that, but I might have a cigar after this. Some more actual kindling from wood that I chopped earlier in fall. That'll really get the fire going. And complimentary cup chilling technology brought to you by the Canadian Outdoors. Readjusting the fire to make sure it's nice and good. And showing some love to my beautiful dog. Hugs and kisses. Now you can go. Get the ball. To really stoke the flame, use your leaf blower. We're going to turn this all into embers. This is by far the fastest way to do it. Yes, I approve. Get that snow off the grill, toss it on, because we're going to make some New York strip loin, AAA. That is the Bud Bazan, which literally translates to slap the wind in Persian. This really only needs a couple of minutes on each side. I like mine rare for the most part. And there you go. Slicing it up with a little bit of butter on top. I just season it with salt and pepper after the fact. A little bit of salad on the side. And I got some Japanese yams that I boiled. Putting some salt there. And there you have it. Simple dinner, not made simply. And that's my Saturday night. Chilling with my dog. Always make sure to feed your dog.